For in a world where cutting-edge military technology collides with unrivaled power, step into the extraordinary domain of the USS Gerald R forward an awe-inspiring titan that stands as the largest and most advanced warship on Earth, standing tall at a staggering 337 meters. The steel behemoth is a testament to innovation and strength. However, its current voyage towards Oslo, Norway holds significant, surpassing routine naval exercises. Brace yourself as we delve into a story of power, precision, and the pursuit of dominance. Stepping into the spotlight, the F-22 Raptor, heralded as the world's inaugural fifth-generation fighter, emerges with unparalleled grace from the depth of secrecy, a marvel of engineering. It possesses a repertoire of features that make it the epitome of modern aerial supremacy. With its cunningly crafted stealth capabilities, the F-22 Raptor becomes an enigma to radar systems, gliding through the skies undetected. This stealth, coupled with its breathtaking speed, grants an air of invincibility, leaving adversaries in awe and trepidation. Yet the F-22 Raptor's arsenal is what truly sets it apart from its counterparts. Painstakingly selected, each weapon embodies cutting-edge technology engineered to deliver destruction on a scale previously unimaginable. These armaments, designed for devastating precision, have been carefully curated to confront the long-standing adversary of the United States, China. The F-22 Raptor's armament is designed for maximum lethality, leaving no doubt about its capabilities. Among its formidable weapons, one stands out: the M120 This advanced air-to-air missile is a true game-changer. Equipped with unmatched range and precision, the M120 can engage multiple targets at once with a range exceeding 100 miles, and an active seeker escaping its deadly grasp becomes nearly impossible for the enemy. The M120's active seeker technology allows it to autonomously detect and track enemy aircraft, ensuring it stays locked onto its targets throughout its flight. This means the F-22 Raptor can launch attacks from a safe distance, minimizing its own risk, while striking with pinpoint accuracy. What sets the M120 apart is its ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. This gives the F-22 Raptors a decisive advantage, overwhelming enemy defenses and greatly reducing their ability to mount an effective response in the world of close-quarters air combat. One missile takes the spotlight: the AIM-9X Sidewinder. This short-range heat-seeking missile is designed to engage agile enemy fighters with exceptional precision. With a range of up to 22 miles and impressive maneuverability, it poses a formidable threat in the skies. The AIM-9X Sidewinder is a deadly weapon that tracks its targets by homing in on their heat signatures. Once locked onto an enemy aircraft, it relentlessly pursues its prey, defying evasive maneuvers. Easily, its ability to perform high G-turns and make quick course corrections ensures it stays on target until impact. With its advanced heat-seeking technology and remarkable agility, the M9X Sidewinder is the weapon for close-quarters aerial combat. It delivers a potent punch, striking fear into the hearts of adversaries who dare challenge the F-22 Raptor and its lethal arsenal. In the fast-paced world of air-to-air combat, the AIM-9X Sidewinder embodies simplicity and devastating effectiveness. Its range, maneuverability, and heat-seeking capabilities make it an essential asset in the F-22 Raptor's quest for aerial supremacy. Prepare to witness the awe-inspiring ground attack capabilities of the mighty F-22 Raptor. This beast of fighter jet packs a serious punch with its deadly weapon of choice, the Bull 32 JDAM, or Joint Direct Attack Munition. Get ready to see enemy ground forces reduced to dust. The Bull 32 JDAM is no ordinary bomb. It's a precision-guided weapon that brings chaos and devastation with unmatched accuracy, guided by cutting-edge GPS and inertial guidance systems. This bomb homes in on its target like a heat-seeking missile. There's nowhere to hide when the F-22 Raptor is locked and loaded with the Bull 32 JDAM. But what sets the Bull 32 JDAM apart is its ability to dish out destruction on a massive scale. Picture this: multiple bombs unleashed from the F-22 Raptor raining down upon enemy strongholds and armored vehicles. The result: total annihilation. This bomb turns enemy ground forces into nothing more than a cloud of dust. When it comes to ground attacks, the F-22 Raptor means business. With the Bull 32 JDAM in its arsenal, this fighter jet takes no prisoners. Enemy installations, fortified positions, and anything that stands in its way will be obliterated in an instant. Imagine this: the F-22 Raptor, the ultimate aerial predator, faced with fortified enemy positions. But fear not, because it has a trick up its sleeve: the Bull 39 small diameter bomb. These bad boys may be lightweight, but don't let that fool you. They pack a punch-to-boo. 39 bombs are like precision. Guided ninjas, they can penetrate the toughest defenses like bunkers and buildings with insane accuracy. It's like they have a GPS in their brains flying over 60 miles. They deliver destruction right where it's needed most. Just imagine the scene. The F-22 Raptor swoops in, launching these bombs from a safe distance with surgical precision. They rain down on the enemy, obliterating their fortified positions. Walls crumble, defenses shatter, and the enemy is left scratching their heads, wondering what just hit them. What makes this even more awesome is that the F-22 Raptor can take out these fortified positions without getting too close for comfort. It's like a sniper in the sky, eliminating threats from a distance. The Boo 39 bombs are the Raptor's secret weapon, ensuring that no enemy stronghold is safe. So the next time you think of the F-22 Raptor, remember its trusty sidekick, the Boo 39 small diameter bomb. Together, they make an unstoppable team, taking down fortified positions with ease. It's aerial warfare at its finest, and the F-22 Raptor reigns supreme. Suppressed. That's what happens to enemy air defenses. When an AGM-88 HARM missile enters the scene, this bad boy is a high-speed anti-radiation missile designed to take out radar installations and electronic systems like a boss, with a range that stretches over 80 miles. There's no escaping its reach. And check this out, it's got multiple guidance systems, including GPS infrared and radar homing. That means no target can hide from its relentless pursuit. Imagine the enemy's radar sights abruptly switching from full power to complete shutdown. The AGM-88 HARM missile locks onto its emissions and boom, say goodbye to their ability to track or engage our mighty F-22 Raptor. It's like flipping a switch and turning off their defenses. The enemy is left wide open for the next strike. With the AGM-88 HARM missile on board, the F-22 Raptor becomes an unstoppable force. It's all about taking control of the skies, baby. No more worrying about enemy radar systems giving away our position or targeting our aircraft. This missile is like a sniper zeroing in on its target with deadly accuracy. So when it comes to suppressing enemy air defenses, the AGM-88 HARM missile is the ultimate game changer. It's a real game of cat and mouse. And guess what? The AGM-88 HARM missile always gets its prey. Its range guidance systems and sheer firepower make it an essential weapon in the F-22 Raptor's arsenal. When it's time to take out those pesky enemy radars, there's no better friend to have in the AGM-88 HARM missile. It's a one-shot knockout that leaves the enemy scratching their heads and wondering what just hit them. As the tension reaches its peak, the Raptor unveils its ultimate weapon, the M61 Vulcan cannon. This bad boy is a 20-millimeter rotary Gatling cannon that unleashes a jaw-dropping torrent of bullets at an insane rate of up to 6,000 rounds per minute. When the Vulcan cannon kicks into action, it's like a symphony of destruction in the sky. Bullets rain down, relentlessly seeking out their targets with deadly accuracy. Those poor opposition aircraft don't stand a chance. The Raptor's firepower shreds them apart, turning them into honeycomb-like relics of their former glory. But wait, the U.S. Air Force and the F-22 Raptor crave more than just dominance in the skies. They hunger for a weapon that defies all known boundaries, a weapon that shoots faster, longer, and with unparalleled precision. Enter the realm of science fiction, where lasers reign supreme as the epitome of destructive force. Cue the Air Force Research Lab, the birthplace of innovation and collaboration. In their labs, they've cooked up something truly mind-boggling to self-protect. High-energy laser demonstrator, or simply SHIELD, this compact airborne laser weapon integrated into the F-22 Raptor takes destructive power to a whole new level. Picture this: meticulous scientists and technicians fine-tuning the SHIELD laser system, ensuring it's a reliable, efficient, and compatible killing machine. They've optimized the laser's power source, refined its cooling system, and honed its beam control mechanisms to deliver unmatched precision and accuracy. Now it's time for SHIELD laser to show its stuff. The F-22 Raptor takes to the skies armed with this game-changing weapon. Advanced sensors detect threats, and the laser locks onto its targets with deadly precision. With bursts of energy, the SHIELD laser unleashes a blinding beam, tearing through the air at mind-boggling speed. Traditional defenses crumble as the laser strikes with unimaginable force, sending enemy aircraft spiraling toward the ground. Military leaders gather in awe, realizing the full potential of the SHIELD laser system. Its ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously while causing minimal collateral damage gives the F-22 Raptor an undeniable edge on the battlefield. This unstoppable duo solidifies their position as the undisputed masters of the skies as the laser-armed F-22 Raptor soar through the heavens, their lethal beams of light instill fear in the hearts of adversaries. Their unmatched speed, agility, and laser firepower build a new era of aerial warfare. Brace yourselves, my friends, for this is just the beginning, a glimpse into a future where the convergence of technology and military might knows no bounds. The development process behind the SHIELD laser system was no walk in the park, my friends. It brought together the brilliant minds of Northrop Grumman, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin, giants of the defense industry. Northrop Grumman stepped up with their expertise in the beam control system. This bad boy ensures that the laser hits its mark with pinpoint precision. No room for errors here. Folks, next in line is Boeing, bringing their A game with the crucial pod subsystem. This beauty seamlessly integrates the laser onto the F-22 Raptor, making sure it's ready for action whenever and wherever it's needed. But hold on tight, because here comes Lockheed Martin with their ultimate weapon, Lance. This laser system is a compact powerhouse like no other, emitting a focused and intense beam of light. It packs a punch that's hard to comprehend. When this baby strikes, targets are in for a world of pain. The SHIELD laser system is a result of this dream team collaboration. It combines the best of the best, pushing the limits of what's possible in warfare. Picture this: a beam of light so precise it hits the bullseye every single time. And it does it fast, my friends. Blink and you'll miss it. So when the SHIELD lasers unleash, the F-22 Raptor becomes an unstoppable force. It's like watching a sci-fi movie come to life. The laser's intense focus and lightning-fast speed leave adversaries shaking in their boots. There's no escape from the wrath of this advanced technology. Deep within a top-secret high-security laboratory, a team of brilliant scientists is hard at work fine-tuning the mind-blowing SHIELD laser system. These guys mean business. They meticulously put this cutting-edge weapon through its paces, ensuring it's reliable, effective, and perfectly compatible with the fearsome F-22 Raptor. Every little detail gets their undivided attention. They check and double-check the power source, cooling system, and beam control mechanisms. These crucial components are fine-tuned to unleash a jaw-dropping blow upon any unlucky adversary dumb enough to cross paths with this laser. The power source, the heart of the operation, gets some serious scrutiny. These scientists leave no room for doubt, ensuring a steady and reliable supply of power that lets the laser pack a serious punch. Think about the heat generated when this thing fires up. That's where the cooling system steps in, keeping things nice and chill. The scientists put their heads together to come up with genius ways to dissipate that crazy heat, ensuring the laser stays cool under pressure. Now, let's talk about precision. The beam control mechanisms are the secret sauce behind this laser's deadly accuracy. Those mirrors, lenses, and targeting systems get adjusted with surgical precision. It's all about nailing that perfect alignment, making sure the laser beam stays focused and rock solid. That means when it hits a target, it hits it hard, and there's no escape. But these scientists aren't just twiddling their thumbs. Oh no, they put the SHIELD laser system through a series of intense tests, simulating all sorts of combat scenarios. They want to be sure this baby can handle anything thrown its way. The laser system needs to be as reliable as your favorite pair of sneakers, ready to unleash a devastating blow whenever the F-22 Raptor calls upon it. In this high-security lab, it's all about one thing: taking warfare to the next level. These scientists know that every tweak, every adjustment could be the difference between victory and defeat. Their dedication and hard work ensure that the F-22 Raptor, armed with the SHIELD laser system, is an unstoppable force in the skies. So when that laser fires up, you better believe it's going to pack a mind-blowing punch that leaves adversaries shaking in their boots. It is time to put the SHIELD laser to the test in a simulated combat scenario. The F-22 Raptor, armed with this groundbreaking weapon, takes to the skies. Its sensors detect incoming threats, and the SHIELD laser locks onto its target with deadly precision. And just like that, a burst of unstoppable energy engulfs the enemy aircraft. As the SHIELD laser is unleashed in a flash, the laser beam slices through the air, defying all traditional defenses. In its path, it strikes with unimaginable force, crippling the enemy aircraft and sending it spiraling out of control. There's no escape as it hurtles toward the ground, defeated by the sheer might of a SHIELD laser. It's a game changer, folks, a true testament to the raw power and precision of advanced laser warfare. Say goodbye to your adversaries, because the future is here, and it's all about lasers. Military leaders convene in a high-level briefing room, their faces etched with anticipation. And intrigue, the room hums with an air of excitement as they gather to discuss the awe-inspiring capabilities of the SHIELD laser system. Each leader brings their unique expertise and perspective, united by the common goal of harnessing this groundbreaking technology for the nation's defense, General Adams, a seasoned and respected figure, takes the lead, his commanding presence captivating the room with a firm voice. He begins to address the assembly, saying the shield laser has surpassed our wildest expectations of ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously, its minimal collateral damage, and its lightning-fast response time give us an unparalleled advantage on the battlefield. The F-22 Raptor equipped with the shield laser becomes an unstoppable force of agility, and the laser's precision turn the tide of battles with incredible efficiency. Air superiority is solidified, and ground targets are swiftly obliterated, integrating the shield laser into the F-22 Raptor simplifies the equation. Unmatched maneuverability plus laser power equals unstoppable aerial dominance. The laser's surgical precision ensures swift and decisive victories, making the F-22 Raptor armed with the shield laser an uncomplicated, yet unbeatable force on the battlefield. This powerful combination simplifies the path to victory, leaving adversaries in awe and securing a new era of aerial warfare. We're witnessing a true game changer in air combat. The integration of laser weapons catapults the F-22 Raptor to the forefront of dominance. No adversary, no matter how advanced, stands a chance against the relentless onslaught of the laser. It's an unfair advantage, plain and simple. In this new era, the F-22 Raptor soars above the competition, wielding the power and speed of the laser with unmatched authority. Sky supremacy is no longer a debate, it's a given. With laser precision, the F-22 executes precise strikes that leave adversaries defenseless and trembling. As the F-22 Raptor squadron takes to the skies, equipped with a shield laser, a new era of warfare unfolds. A combination of stealth speed and laser firepower propels the United States aerial dominance to unparalleled heights, with each aircraft adorned with the advanced shield laser. The F-22 Raptors become a force to be reckoned with. Their unmatched stealth capabilities allow them to fly undetected, while their blistering speed ensures they outmaneuver any adversary. And now, with the shield laser, their power reaches new levels as these mighty aircraft streak through the heavens. Their laser beams strike with pinpoint accuracy, leaving no room for escape. The convergence of cutting-edge technology and strategic prowess enables the Raptors to swiftly neutralize threats, solidifying their position as unmatched aerial champions. This new era of warfare is marked by simplicity, yet overwhelming effectiveness. The F-22 Raptor squadron, armed with a shield laser, showcases the power of combining stealth speed and laser firepower. It represents a future where the skies are unequivocally dominated by these formidable aircraft, forever changing the landscape of aerial combat. The F-22 Raptor and the shield laser, an extraordinary alliance born of technological innovation and military prowess. As the boundaries of warfare continue to expand, the journey of the F-22 Raptor and its integration of laser weapons is merely the beginning, heralding a future where the impossible becomes a reality. With every mission, the laser-armed F-22 Raptors strike fear into the hearts of their adversaries. Thank you for watching this glimpse into future of aerial warfare. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we explore the cutting-edge advancements reshaping the world of military technology.